Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install latest version of DirectX on your Windows operating system. So it's really easy to download and install DirectX on your Windows 8 or Windows 7 operating system. What you need to do is go to your favorite browser and click the link in the description. This link is from www.microsoft.com/whatever language you want to choose /download/detail.aspx !id is equal to 35. So this link I'm going to post in the description so that you can click this link and download this DirectX, or you can browse this website to download DirectX. So just click this link, and this link will lead you to this website from Microsoft, and here you can find DirectX end user runtime web installer. You just need to download this, and in here it will show some recommendation from Microsoft, but for now I don't want anything, so I will just uncheck both the checkboxes and I will just click no thanks and continue. And this will download the DirectX executable on my system. So I will save this on my system, and it's downloaded. Now I will just open this executable file wherever you have downloaded this executable file. Just execute this executable file from there and click yes, and I will minimize everything. And this is the installer, DirectX installer, and you need to read the agreement terms and condition and click I accept the agreement. Click next, and it will initialize all the component, and click next and click next, and it will just download all the DirectX XDK updates and all the components which your computer needs for DirectX. So I will wait for this process to complete. And once this DirectX installer completes installation of DirectX, you can just click finish from here. And now to check whether DirectX is really installed on your system, what you can do is you can go to your Windows button here and right click it and click run and search for DXDIAG. Okay, so search for DXDIAG. I will just paste this link on a bigger notepad so that you can see. And this is DXDIAG. I will just give this command in the description also, so that you don't mess up with the spelling. Okay, so just enter DXDIAG and press OK, and this will open this DirectX diagnostics tool here, and you can see DirectX 11 is installed on your system. So now you have successfully installed DirectX on your system. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for